हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्णा बोलो प्रणाम। Okay, so I think we'll start. We'll just do quick prayers and then we'll start. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurundatam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupakatamaya Radati Swapatantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Thapatakalam Shri Guru Vaishnavam Shri Rupam Sagaratam Sahagana Raghunatamitam साद्वैतं धावधूतं परिजना सहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान् सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्तां नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण प्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशकाल जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे मुखं करोति वाचालं मुखं लङ्घयते तत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरो दीनतारिणम्। So Hare Krishna, welcome you all. This is the second orientation session which we are arranging. The first one we did last week. So for those who joined after that or those who missed out the earlier session, we just thought we'll do it again. And this time I'm going to record the session so that we can reuse in case there is any need at all. So this, I'll just quickly talk about the program, what exactly we are trying to do here. And then we'll talk about what is the seva we are all going to do. So for the book marathon, we are going to launch, we are launching a contest called as Samskar Pratyogita or Value Education Contest. So obviously it is very nearly impossible to go to the schools and distribute books this time. So what we're planning is we can approach the students who participated with our BG contest last year and then try to get them to participate in this contest, which is Value Education Contest. Right. So we've got a database of about 25 to 30,000 students. And obviously we're going to approach them so that they can participate in this. The last time these students have participated in the Bhagavad Gita contest, so they already have Bhagavad Gita. So what we are planning to do is we'll give them a Krishna book if they participate in this contest. So you can see the flyer. Can somebody confirm if you're able to see the flyer? My screen?
Yes, Prabhuji, I can see.
Okay. So
yes, you can see.
Okay. So basically, this is a value education contest meant for children from 5th to 10th standard. So in order to increase the participation, we have got two contests here. One we call as the values of life or value education contest. Now within that, they will get 12 session online course. These classes are based on values like respect, cleanliness, etiquette, law of karma, and so on and so forth. So these will be online courses or online classes which will be conducted over the weekends. So 6 topics and 12 sessions is what we are going to conduct, and primarily in English and Hindi. And then after each topic, they'll have to go through a unit test, and then final there will be another unit test which they will have to go through. And the winners will get each will get a laptop, bicycle, and a smartwatch, which means the first rank will get laptop, second bicycle, and third smartwatch. Now, there are two categories, 5th to 7th and 8th to 10th, as you can see here. So every category gets one, which means there are total 2 laptops and 2 cycles and 2 smartwatch on price. And the participation price is 305 rupees. Okay. And we're going to provide a link here. You can see the bottom of the page. And there is a link which is currently getting, the website is being built up. So that's why we are waiting actually. It was expected to be ready by last week, but it is still not ready. There's some issues. So as soon as it is up, we'll start our work. So they can go on this web page and they can sign up for this contest by paying this fees online. So they have to pay the fees online. There's no other mode of payment accepted. So this is one part of the story, which is the value education contest. Now, second is, as a part of this, there is also something called as talent search contest. So in talent search contest, there are 4 contests or sub-contests, you can say. Shloka recitation, painting, bhajan, singing, and elocution. So 5th to 7th is shloka recitation and painting, and 8th to 10th is bhajan and elocution. Now, this is part of this contest, but the winners of these 4, they don't get the laptop or the cycle. They get some other prizes, which are not disclosed currently, but it will be most probably pen drives or something like that. That's the idea. Now, why are we doing this as well? Because it can attract more and more children. Otherwise, children might be thinking, why to give another exam? And we don't want to give another exam. So that's why we have this, other areas. Like some children like painting a lot. Some like shloka recitation, some bhajan, some elocution, or, like that. That's why we have this. So every children gets a e-certificate and a Krishna book as a gift. And this will be couriered to them. The Krishna book will be couriered to them at their home. And the certificate will be sent over email. That's the, that's about this particular. So now, now some children might say, no, I want to participate only in talent search. Or somebody will say, I wanted to participate only in values of life. That's also fine. But the fees remain the same, which is 305 rupees, right? Like that. Okay. Now, how will the painting, the recitation, everything will be submitted? That is something which we'll be communicating to the participants. At this point of time, we don't need to communicate or don't need to inform anything about it. Just tell them that we will be communicated over email and WhatsApp that how to submit the painting, how to submit the shloka, or the recording and all those things, right? Like that. So that is part of this entire competition. Now this is all over India. We will be distributing this all over India, and whoever can participate. But in addition to this, we are concentrating on the around 30,000 students data which we have, which we will be calling. That is where our primary responsibility or primary seva is to call these 30,000 children, around 30,000, and give them information about this contest, right? So, so I'll tell you what exactly is to be spoken about it. So basically, we call them and we tell them, Hare Krishna, we are calling from ISKCON Pune temple. Last year, we came to your city. Like, for example, we went to Junagadh, myself, Paramchandra Prabhu, and many other devotees. And we conducted a Bhagavad Gita contest, which you are part of. Your son or daughter, whoever it is, was part of it. And this year, we are conducting a value education contest, which is online because of the pandemic. So you can explain what exactly is involved. You can tell them that there are 12 sessions, 6 topics, English and Hindi, and then there is prizes here, and then there is multi-talent contest and so on and so forth, right? So you can tell all about this contest, and then you can encourage them that you will please participate in this contest. And before you call, you will have to save the number of the person or whatever the number is, and send this flyer to them in Hindi or English. We also are going to create one in Gujarati. I think it's Rigmar Chatan Prabhu has created one in Gujarati. So if we are calling in Gujarat, we'll be sending it the Gujarati version. So we send the flyer just before calling so that they are able to look at the flyer or poster and then they can make some sense out of it. Right? That's the idea. Okay. So they might ask a lot of questions in terms of, how will this be conducted? So you can tell them this is all online Zoom classes. And the timings, they might ask the timings and the dates. The dates are basically 5th of December, we plan to start Krishna willing, and this will go on. So there will be every Saturday, Sunday, there will be a different batch for values of life, right? So 1 week, one batch. So 5th, we start with one batch. 12th, we start with one batch, like that. There will be 4 to 5 batches, but till 10th of January. And so the participant, when they go on this link to register, they will be able to choose their slots. There are multiple slots they can choose from, which slot they want to attend. That's the idea. Okay. Now they might ask what kind of questions are asked. So you can tell them that, at this point of time, you cannot tell them. But as they go through the training course, they will be able to understand what kind of questions will come in the exam, like that. Okay, so that is about the contest. Now, you might get a question from some of them that actually my son or daughter participated, but he never got any communication. He never got any certificate or any prize. So you have to tell them that, basically we have communicated to the school and the certificates have been given to the school. You please go and check with the school. And if you cannot find the certificate, please get back to us. That is what, you have to communicate. Because this might come, about 5 to 10% of the students or their parents might, mention this to you, because there is a margin of error that some students might not have got the certificates, right? Like that. Okay. Now, one more thing is each parent is also going to be able to enroll to a Gita Sar course. So free if they participate in this course, right? That is the idea. So I'm going to show you this Gita Sar flyer. Okay. So this will be in, again, 3 languages, in English, Hindi, Marathi. And if you get good registration number, we might also do it in Gujarati. But at this point of time, we're not sure. So this is a 9-day, 18-chapter course, which basically means we'll be covering 18 chapters, not in detail, overview, right? And again, the batches start from 5th of December. Every Saturday, there will be a new batch. So there will be 4 to 5 batches. It will be for 1 hour, 7 to 8, and 15 minutes question answers. And this will go for 9 days. And basics of Bhagavad Gita, like topics of, the 5 basic truths of Bhagavad Gita will be covered. And few other things will be covered, right? Like that. So this is a free course, free for the parents, or free for the parents of which the students have participated. That is the idea. So basically, we are giving them 3 options here: a value education contest, then multi-talent, and then Gita Sar. Now, what is the idea of this Gita Sar? Basically, we want that the parents attend this course, and which is free, obviously free, so they'll most probably attend. And at the end of the course, we'll be encouraging them to either buy a Bhagavatam set, or buy some, Prabhupada books, or donate something, like donate some books. That is the idea. Because if you ask somebody who is new to the organization, they might be hesitant to, donate anything. But if you conduct some classes and their, heart becomes a little soft, and they become receptive because you're offering a free course, then they'll be open to actually kind of, either donate or, take a Bhagavatam set, something like that. That's the idea. So we are inviting multiple speakers, and they will be conducting these classes in 3 languages. So there will be three batches per week, like the value education class. Every Saturday we'll be having 3 batches, right? And all these classes will be on the Zoom. So there will be a registration link on this poster. They can click on that, register, and then they can participate in the course. Obviously, there is no fees for this particular class or for this particular course. Okay, so I'll take a pause to see if there are any questions. Any questions?
Prabhuji, when can we start calling the students?
Yeah, so we are waiting for the website to be up, because if we don't want that, we call up and then they realize that the website is not up, so they cannot register. So yeah, I think I'm hoping and praying to Krishna that the website becomes up today. It's in the last stages. So SSL certificate is not working properly. So that is the only point which is there. Otherwise, everything is fine. So yeah, most probably tomorrow we should have the website up. We will do a final check, and either tomorrow or day after we should be able to start the calling. So we got a list of numbers of different schools, and we'll be assigning one by one to all of you. Yeah, there was another question.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji.
Prabhuji. You said 5th of December you are going to start the batches.
Yes.
So like you said, there are 12 sessions.
Yes.
So those who start on 5th of December, they will have continuous. I mean, every weekend they will have one session. Like that, they will have 12 sessions.
That's correct, Mataji. So every Saturday, Sunday there will be sessions. So 2 sessions per weekend. So 6 sessions. For about 6 weeks they will have to go to session. That's correct.
6 weeks. Okay. And what is the duration, Prabhuji?
Each session will be of 1 hour duration.
1 hour. Okay.
Yes. So total 12 hours basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you. So Sachin Prabhu has a question. Can we approach School of Service parallelly? Yes, definitely we can. Once the website is up, definitely we can start approaching School of Service as well. So the schools which we had approached last time, we are going to approach them. Now, if you know any schools in Pune which are close by to you, you can approach them, and you can give the online flyer or the poster, and they can circulate within the school as well. That is also fine.
Okay, Prabhuji. Yeah,
yes.
Thank you.
Any other question? So Param Sundar Prabhu, who is joined with us, he will be the overall coordinator for this entire activity. He himself and Shri Ramananda Rai Prabhu. So they will assign you the different numbers, and they will be helping you to call all of these people.
Okay. And Prabhuji, one more question.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody can participate, right? I mean, not just school children.
Yes, anybody. So in fact, we are going to open it up to everybody. So that's another thing. Yeah, good point, Mataji. So what we are going to do is we parallelly call in, as well as we can circulate this in our social networks. Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Twitter, wherever you are. You have to just circulate in the network so that anybody can participate, especially the students, basically. Yeah.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Yeah. Okay, so now so the idea is that the registrations are open till 10th of January. But when you call up, there is a question they might ask you, how long is the registration open? But till when can we register? So let's say you call up day after tomorrow, which is 3rd of December, right? So you tell them the registrations are open only till 10th. Because if you give more time, they will think, what time? We'll do it later. So you have to tell them 1 week. Only till 10th we are accepting registrations, till the December, right? Otherwise they'll take a long time and they might forget about it, right? Like that. So you will have to store the number, because in order for you to send the image, you will need to have the WhatsApp number. So you will have to save the number. You can save the number with a particular acronym or some code, for example, VEC, Value Education Contest. And you send the flyer, poster, and then delete the numbers. All the VC numbers you can delete, so that it's not in your phone directory, like that. So that is one important thing which you have to keep in mind. Okay.
And Prabhuji,
yes,
one more thing. You said the batches will start. I mean, one batch will start on 5th. Then the next batch will start on 12th. So when will be the exam? Or at the end of sessions they will have exams?
Yeah, at the end of their session, they will have the exams, and final exam review will be done at the end of all the sessions. So which will be probably in January end. So yeah, this is one point which somebody might ask, that when will the results be declared? So you can safely say that sometime in February they will be declared. The date is not out, but sometime in February the results will be declared.
Yeah. Okay. And how will communicate them the result, Prabhuji?
Yeah, through WhatsApp. So basically what you're going to do is every batch which is formed will form a WhatsApp group, and they will be communicated through WhatsApp group. Also, we'll be also communicating on email as well. So both ways will be communicated.
Okay.
And somebody might ask, oh, how are you going to send us the laptop and bicycle? So you tell them, don't worry about it. We'll either courier it, or we'll arrange for a shop which is very close by to in a city where you can pick it up. So those are the questions somebody might ask. So it's better to have the answers. Okay.
And that Gita Sar course you said, so for the parents, for only the parents it is free, But otherwise, we are charging, right?
No, otherwise also it's free. But just as a marketing gimmick, we are saying, if you participate, you get free course, like that. So, but otherwise also it's free.
Oh, no, but I mean, one flyer Gitanjali sent me. It says 310 or something.
That is a different program.
That
That
is
is done.
different.
That's different. Basically, that is Karnataka Pros program. So they are doing it different. But our strategy is that basically, if you charge upfront, not many people might come up. So it is better to give it free, because there are two things we are trying to achieve here by the Gita Sar. One is if you let's say if you get 1,000 people, just as an example, I'm saying, and you conduct about 10 classes, 100 per class per batch. Then at the end of the day, it is possible that after the classes finish, there are about 500 people who are remaining. Now 500 people, if you tell them you just donate 500 rupees or whatever it is, then we'll probably get some Shastra Dan or Bhagavatam sets distributed or some books distributed. That is the idea. That's fun. Second is we'll also get some good number of congregation collected. Basically, let's say out of those 1,000, 200 are very sincere and they want to continue. So we'll also get a congregation, who the preachers can continue preaching. That is that. It's a different kind of this thing.
Okay.
In fact, there
so
are,
this is Okay, this is 305 we are fees we are telling them. So Gita sir, if the parents want to do that is totally free.
That's correct. But to the parents, when we call them saying, if your child participates, then only you will be able to get. Otherwise, they will only enroll for Gita sir and they will not enroll for BEC.
Okay.
So that's the marketing
so
gimmick.
That we have okay.
So otherwise, when you open up the flyer to everybody on Facebook, there you can give it free, because our target students are mainly from Pune and Junagadh and Gujarat area. The probability that the parents will come to know about is very less. But yeah, we'll take the risk.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Yes. Okay. Any other questions? Yes, Prabhu. Raghuranand, sir, Prabhu.
Prabhu, this fees we are taking 305. For that, we are giving any book for them?
Krishna book will be given to them. Yes, Prabhu. Okay. So I'll share the flyer one more time, the other flyer. So if you look at this picture, the bottom half we are saying special gift, which is Krishna book. Because most of them will already have the Bhagavad Gita. So that's why we are giving Krishna book like that. So there will be separate group, WhatsApp group for the talent search, separate WhatsApp group for this one. And either separate or the same, but there will be separate communication saying what they have to do and all those things. So that will be communicated clearly over the WhatsApp and the email. That's the idea. Okay. Okay.
Prabhuji,
any other questions?
There are more.
Yes, Sachin.
Yeah, Prabhuji, if there are more participants, so there will be only one batch, or there are different batches?
There are multiple batches. There are around 5 to 6 batches. So 5th December, 12th December, 19th, 26th, like that, there are 5 to 6 batches. And within one weekend, like for example, 5th December, let's say if we start, there are 3 parallel batches, at least 2 parallel batches, one in English and one in Hindi. So like that, hopefully we'll have 10 batches if we have good amount of registration. That's the idea.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Okay, so if there are no more questions, we can close the session. I'll send you this recording as well as the flyers and the Gita Sar flyers. So hold on until we communicate further. Maybe by tomorrow, hopefully we should be ready. And yeah, so just keep these points in mind. And if it's possible, we can also do one demo session where one of us actually calls and the others observe how that person is doing. That also we might arrange. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, let's see how things pan out. Based upon that, we will we'll try to arrange such a session. Paramchandra Prabhu, aapko kuch bolna?
Prabhuji, Krishna book will send by courier, right?
Courier, yes.
Okay. Yeah.
And that is
No,
why
Prabhuji, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. That is why it is 305, because there is 170 rupees Krishna book, and then there will be some courier charges around 80-90 rupees, like that. Okay, so thank you so much for joining in. And as I said, this is Srila Prabhupada Seva, directly in the service of Srila Prabhupada book distribution. Srila Prabhupada said many times, books are the basis, and basically book distribution is his bloodline, which means basically he gets pleased when books are distributed. So although we are just doing calling to the parents, it is direct service where books are going to be distributed. Although we might not be personally distributing, the books are getting distributed because of your efforts. And it's a very, very special seva we are participating in. So my idea is, if you can make at least 15 calls per day, that will be around 1 hour per day. Then we should be able to, over a period of 4 weeks, we should be able to complete all 30,000 these things, contacts. And then we can also circulate over Facebook, schools, everywhere, as much as advertisement as we can do. That will be great for us, so that we can get as much participation as we can. Right? So in case we don't meet before the calling service starts, please pray to Srila Prabhupada, Guru Maharaj, the entire Acharyas, entire Guru Parampara, Gaur Nitai, that this is thank you for engaging us in the seva, and that please have mercy on the people who are going to call, so that they can get the nectar of Krishna consciousness. So that's the prayer we should be having. Very, very humbly approaching the Guru Parampara, because obviously we don't have any strength to convince anybody or distribute the books. Only Srila Prabhupada and the Parampara can help us do that. So let's keep that in mind. Let's pray every time we call, so that it becomes all the more nectaring for us. Okay. Okay. Any other last point before we close? Okay. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you taking out your time and volunteering to seva. So let's get connected. The message will come to you on WhatsApp. So be alert with the messages, and then we'll communicate the further actions. Okay. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you very much.
Thank you.